Property taxes can be a significant burden for homeowners, and many people are looking for ways to reduce or eliminate this expense. Fortunately, there are countries around the world that do not impose property taxes on their residents or non-residents. These countries offer an attractive option for those looking to internationalize and establish a home without paying high taxes on their properties. The history of property taxes, discuss what they are, reveal the countries with no property taxes, and warn you of other taxes that you may end up paying despite the lack of a property tax. So in this video, we are going to discuss countries with no property taxes. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Bahrain. Bahrain has a free trade agreement with the United States, which allows most Bahraini goods to enter the US free of duty. Bahrain is not known to have any explicit legal prohibition against apostasy. There are several religious groups in Bahrain, including St. Mary's Orthodox Syrian Church, Sacred Heart Catholic Church, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, Church of Christ, Greek Orthodox Church, Pentecostal Church, Baptistry, Swamiran Mandir Bahrain, Hindu Temple, Indian Religious and Social Group, Hindu Temple, Spiritual Sikh Cultural and Social Group, St. Thomas Evangelical Church of Bahrain, Marthoma Parish, House of Ten Commandments Synagogue, Sri Krishna Hindu Temple, and the Baha'i Social Society. Many of the religious sites in Bahrain are not being maintained. Turks and Caicos. It is one place where you will owe no property taxes, and there are no restrictions on foreigners purchasing real estate. This Caribbean archipelago is a British overseas territory, which also levies no income or capital gains tax. But there will be a sizable transfer tax at the time of purchase in Turks and Caicos, ranging between 6.5% and 10% of the property's value, depending on the property's location and purchase price. But at least you have to pay it only once. Plus, the purchase of a home can help you qualify for residency. Depending on the location, you will have to buy a property costing between $250,000 and $500,000 to obtain temporary residency, or between $300,000 and $1 million to skip right to permanent residency. The Cayman Islands. It is another Caribbean destination where foreigners can buy real estate and pay no property taxes, and investing at least $600,000 into the local economy, with half required to go to real estate, is one way to gain temporary residency in the Cayman Islands. But you'll also need to deposit nearly $500,000 into a local bank account and keep it there for the duration of your residency. There are cheaper ways to obtain residency, such as the 2-year Global Citizens Concierge program geared towards digital nomads. Still, they only accept applications from those with 6-figure salaries. Dominica. Dominica is a country with no property tax, but there is a municipal tax levied on properties located in Caymanfield and Roseau. The municipal tax rate varies and averages 1.27% of the current market value of the object. The owner of the property does not pay property tax, but there is a municipal tax of 1.25% of the assessed property value located in the largest cities, Roseau and Canfield. On the other hand, offers citizenship by investment. That means you can purchase full citizenship and a passport from this Caribbean island nation by buying a property worth at least $200,000, about a third of the price of residency in the Cayman Islands. And once you purchase your Dominican property, you will owe no property taxes. Malta, an island nation in the Mediterranean, which is part of the European Union, also does not levy property taxes and allows foreigners to own property. It does, however, usually charge a one-time 8% tax on the total value of property transfers, essentially a real estate sales tax. Malta is home to a citizenship by investment program, which requires a real estate investment of at least €700,000, plus a €600,000 donation to the National Development and Social Fund and other fees. This program is in legal jeopardy as the European Union tries to halt it. Monaco. It is another tiny European country which does not charge property taxes or income taxes. To become a resident through its Golden Visa program, you must deposit 500,000 euros in a local bank account and keeping the money there for as long as you want to remain a resident. And the high price tag doesn't stop there. Because of its small size, about 3 miles long and half a mile wide, real estate prices can be quite extreme. You'll be hard-pressed to buy a 2-bedroom apartment for less than €500,000. I found one single parking spot listed for a sale price of €375,000. The Republic of Georgia is a small country on the Black Sea, which identifies as European. Foreigners can buy homes with no yearly property taxes. Georgia is welcoming to digital nomads and remote workers who can easily gain residency and, in many cases, pay only a 1% tax on their income. The United Arab Emirates. It has no property taxes or income taxes, and it allows foreigners to own land. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is a country that is comfortable for life and business with minimal taxes and no duties on real estate, income, property, and VAT. The UAE is a federation of 7 emirates: Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Dubai, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain, Fujairah, and Sharjah. The UAE is a very wealthy country with stunning skyscrapers, picturesque beaches, palaces, mosques, incredible artificial islands, and even a ski resort operating in 40-degree heat. The UAE has a mixed environment of rocky desert, coastal plains and wetlands, and waterless mountains, and its seashore is a haven for migratory waterfowl and draws birdwatchers from all over the world. Dubai. One of the Emirates is especially appealing because of its luxury lifestyle and numerous special economic zones tailored to various industries. Dubai offers a remote worker visa, which can be renewed annually, or you could go for a 3-year investor's visa by forming and capitalizing a company in Dubai. Dubai is a popular place for foreign investors and expats, and it is relatively straightforward to purchase property there, provided that you have the finance. However, there are no annual property taxes, income taxes, or inheritance taxes in Dubai. Instead, there is a 4% transfer tax levied when a property changes hands, which is usually paid by the buyer. Additionally, all Dubai residents, both owners and tenants, can expect to pay a municipality tax equivalent to 5% of their home's annual rental income to fund local services. Fiji. It is another option if you are looking for an extremely remote tiny island in the Pacific. Several Middle Eastern countries, such as Saudi Arabia and Oman, also levy no property taxes, but the lifestyle and human rights records may leave something to be desired. Sri Lanka may have been a decent choice to acquire a home free of property tax before the country began experiencing regulation-induced food shortages and civil unrest. But if it is important to you to own a property outright, with no recurring yearly rent owed to the government, you have plenty of options. That doesn't mean you can get everything you ever wanted in one perfect location. Sometimes you have to compromise. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.